So we're gonna get rid of all these scuff marks and scratches that my brother hit on his car with this magic eraser that we're working on and being clean. All you do is spray. Dude, honestly, you don't even need a lot of soap, and all you do is scrub. And it's like a magic eraser, it literally comes right off. Look at that. And then all you need, and you can do this for any colored car, honestly. Just use Mean Clean and just scrub lightly with a magic eraser, and all the scuff marks will come right off. Because this gets into little small crevices and stuff. So let me go get a towel, very visible. Just wipe. And voila. No more scratch marks. It's all gone. Good as new. Now hopefully it doesn't hit anything else. But yeah guys, literally all you need is Mean Clean and our magic eraser. Spray it, let it soak for like 10 seconds, and just scrub up and down, and just wipe. And this will take off any scratch, I guess I wouldn't say scratch marks, but more of little scuff marks that you have. It will take off some scratch marks, especially even if we try polishing, it will come off, but it will actually remove all the little debris that are in the little small crevices, and it'll make it look like this. Good as new.